Okay, dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine and safe in your home. Today, you pray God for our neighbors. They want to be safe and healthy. Thank you. Today, we are going to teach second standard social science class. Our first lesson is neighborhood. Our first lesson is neighborhood. Can you say the spelling? Neighborhood. Neighborhood. Spell out. Neighborhood. Neighborhood. So what is meant by neighborhood? Neighborhood means the area around our house. What is neighborhood? The area around our house. Can you say some places around our house? Can you say some places? What are the places can you see near our house? Yes, market. Then, yes, school. Next, hospital. Next, yes, post office. Like these are places near our houses. The places near our house are our neighborhood. We are live in our house with our family members. Likewise, your friends also live in their families. Where they are living? They are living near your house. So, people who are living near our house are our neighbors. People who are living near our house are our neighbors. The people need some services in their day-to-day life. Some neighborhood give that services to the people. What are the services in the neighborhood? We want to see now one by one. Today, first we want to see the market. What is market? Market is a place we can buy and sell things. In the market, we have many shops. There are some shops are small, some are big. Now we will see some shops in the market. First one is the grocery shop. What is this? Grocery shop. You spell out it GROCERY. Grocery shop. SHOP shop. Okay, this is the grocery shop. See here, what are the things available here? Food items and articles for our daily use. This is our grocery shop. We can buy food items and articles here. Next, chemist shop. Spell out CHEMIST. Chemist. SHOP shop. Chemist shop. Today, what is this? Yes, tablet. Where can you buy it? We can buy this tablet in this chemist shop. See, chemist shop is medical shop. We can buy the tablets and the drugs here. Medical shop. This is the chemist shop or medical shop. Next, stationery shop. What are the things we can buy here? We can buy pen, pencil. Then what are the things we want to use for our studies? We can buy it here. See, spell out the stationery. S-T-A-T-I-O-N-E-R-Y. Stationery shop. S-H-O-P shop. Stationery shop. We can buy stationery items here. Okay, what is this? Milk good. Yes, very good. We can buy milk and milk products here. Yes, what is this? What are the things are here? Yes, vegetables. From where can you buy these vegetables? From the green grocer shop. G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-O-C-E-R, grocer. S-H-O-P shop, green grocer shop. We can buy fruits and vegetables in the green grocer shop. Today now I said 5 shops to you. These shops together make a market. Let us learn one new word. So the word is K-I-O-S-A, kiosk. What is mean for this? This means booth or stall. Kiosk means booth or stall. Kiosk means booth or stall. So we move to second neighborhood. See this? What is this? Can you see this place? See, this is park. Yes, very good. This is park. We can play here. We can get fresh air. The old people also use this place for walking. See here, what are the items to play here? Swing, slide, seesaw. Yes, you are enjoying to play this one, no? See, these are the things available in the park. We can get fresh air. You don't pluck the flowers from the park. We don't give any harm for the growing plants. Next neighborhood is police station. See here, what is the duty of the police? Do you know? They want to catch the thieves and robbers. They want to maintain law and order. Traffic policeman controls our traffic. The policeman uniform color is khaki. If you want to call police, you dial the number 100. Next neighborhood is post office. What can you do here? We can buy letters, postcards and stamps here. We can send money order and telegrams. We post the letters in the post box. The post box color is red color. Now some private deliverers also there, that are Flipkart and Amazon. See here, what is this? Yes, this is school. This is very important neighborhood for us. This is second home for us. We gain skill and education to live our life successfully and autonomously. School helps us for our future career. This school give more knowledge to us and help us to learn good habits. See, next one. What is this? Yes, this is hospital. When you want to go to the hospital? When you are ill or sick. So when we are ill or sick, we go to the hospital. Doctors and nurses treat us. Ambulance is the vehicle to carry the injured person to the hospital. See, if you call the ambulance, we dial 108. See here, next neighborhood is the fire station. If any fire accident happen, you want to call the fireman. The fire tenders help us to put out the fire. The firemen also educate us how to save from fire. If the fire engine color is red, if you want to call the fireman, you dial the number 101. Today, now we see the services of our neighborhood. How do you want to keep our neighborhood clean? We want to keep our surroundings clean. If you want to keep the surroundings clean, you don't put the garbages here and there. You throw the wastages in the dustbin. You want to grow more trees because that purify the air. Now we want to discuss some hard words from the lesson neighborhood. Kiosk, a very small building in the street where newspapers, sweets, etc. are sold. Kiosk, a very small building in the street where newspapers, sweets, etc. are sold. Products, something that is made in a factory. Products, something that is made in a factory. Autonomously, with the freedom to act independently. Autonomously, with the freedom to act independently. Injure, physically or mentally hurt. Injure, physically or mentally hurt. Robbers, a person who steals from a place or a person, especially using violence or threats. Robbers, a person who steals from a place or a person, especially using violence or threats. Today, now we want to discuss some question and answers. After complete this one, you take your notebook and write the hard words and question answers in your notebook. See, what is the first question? What is market? What is market? Many shops together make a market. Many shops together make a market. We can buy and sell things here. We can buy and sell things here. Many shops together make a market. We can buy and sell things here. Second question, name some neighborhood. Name some neighborhood. Market, park, school, hospital. What is the motto of fire service? What is the motto of fire service? Save lives and protect properties. What is the motto of fire service? Save lives and protect property. Who works in a hospital? Who works in a hospital? Doctors and nurses. Doctors and nurses. Can you say some important phone numbers? Yes, police, 100. Ambulance, 108. Fire service, 101. Kutti, today we have completed our lesson neighborhood. See, now I given some hard words and question answers to you. You read it and write it in your notebook. Thank you.